where are these guys? Yeah. Oh, here you guys are. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaidehi Sawant, and for people who are new to my channel, welcome. So today's video is going to be a little different, as you must have already read in the So to begin with the video, why are we making this video? This video is made with an intention to disgust people who disgust us, obviously, but there are situations that occur and we do not deal with it in the right way. Sometimes, we tend to take very impulsive actions and react very impulsively, or sometimes we just do not do anything because we are utterly scared, and when we come back home we feel disgusted about it, we cannot sleep, and we regret that we couldn't do anything. So here are just a few ways which might help us to deal with it in a certain way that wouldn't cause anybody harm, and we've also calmly avoided the situation. Okay, so here I'm going to give you some ways. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing that I do is, I've been doing this for like 10 years, I don't know how many ever years. I've been doing this along with my best friends. If there is some guy who's making us too uncomfortable, like I can also give you all an example. Once I was going to office and there was this guy, I mean, वो जो building में काम करता है ना, he looked at me and he was just staring at me continuously, and I just took this and I put it inside my nose, and guys, it helps. I do this and it helps. So if you all want to disgust the other person, then firstly be ready to also disgust yourselves. And I don't think इतना कुछ है, like ये तो हम लोग करते ही है ना, बचपन से किया है. I don't think it's a big deal, you can just do it. So मैंने वो किया. So first thing would be dig your nose. Okay, so now the second one is also my most favorite. Okay, it is acting possessed. Now now the second one, like I said, is also my favorite, that is acting possessed. So I'll show you guys how to act possessed. This is something you all can use if you all do not want to dig your nose, and if you all do not want to be too disgusting, then you can do this. And you can maybe do this in a train. Please be free to do this in a public place. This will just help you guys get a seat or something good na. एक तीर से दो निशाने. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you keep your little hair forward and keep the rest hair forward as well. Okay, but you need to show one eye, okay, because we are going to scare with the eyes. And just look down first. Your nose is supposed to blow out like this. Funny. And look on top and breathe heavily. Got it, guys? Okay, so we are going to do this. Please don't feel ashamed. Okay, just go ahead and do it. And I'm telling you guys, when you all will come home, you all will laugh at yourselves, and you all will also be proud that you all could handle the situation in a good way, without creating a lot of commotion. And I'm telling you, the man will just look off. Okay, this was for women, and we have a few for men as well. Let's go and see Nuska number 3. Okay, so now let's think, what do women hate the most? Lies. But this time, the lies are going to be coming from the head. So guys, women hate lies on the head. So what you're going to do, as soon as a woman is kind of disgusting you, or they are staring at you, because women do that to guys as well. So what you're going to do is just maybe scratch first, continuously just scratch, and just try to act like you're removing something. Get shocked, and then you put it on your finger, and then you click. She's just not going to come besides you, she's not going to be around you, she's going to run, she's going to freaking run. So do that, because women hate lies, and this is going to help you repel such women. Okay, now we go to the last nuska. The last one is going to be disgusting them with a dangerous smile. Okay, now I'll show you all the perfect example of a dangerous smile. You all can do this with a chocolate, you all can do this with something that just looks dangerous on you. Okay,
Run.
okay, so guys, that's it. And I know I have disgusted myself too much and disgusted you all too much as well, but I think these nuskas or these ways sometimes do help. So there's no harm in going ahead and trying them out, right? So if they help, please leave a comment below and let me know how did you all deal with it. And yeah, if you all like the video, please like, share and subscribe with your closed friends, so that you know they are also aware of these nuskas, because they do help, trust me. Bye.